4th Standard Science Term 2 Lesson 2 Water. Answer the following. Roman letter 9. Answer briefly. Write the states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. What is freezing? At temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. Name the processes involved in water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Which state government made rainwater harvesting as mandatory in the year 2001? Tamil Nadu government made rainwater harvesting as mandatory in the year 2001. What is needed to construct a rainwater harvesting pit? A pit of 1 to 2 meter wide and 2 to 3 meter depth, and the pit can be filled with boulders, gravels and coarse sand. What is evaporation? Water becoming water vapor on the heating is called evaporation. 7th question. What is condensation? The water vapor, when comes into contact with cool air, it becomes water droplets. This is called condensation. What is precipitation? The water droplets combines to form clouds. When the water droplets continue to combine, they become big and heavy. These water droplets then fall down as rain. This is called precipitation. 9th question. Name the process which is responsible for the formation of droplets on the surface of a glass of cold drink. The formation of droplets on the surface of a glass of cold drink is due to precipitation. Next question. Is water cycle important for farming? Yes, the water cycle is extremely important because this process provides earth with the natural and continual water supply, which is essential for farming. All living things need water in order to survive. Next question. Why water is a good example for all state of matter? Water is a good example for all states of matter because only water can exist in all the 3 states of matter. Roman letter 10. Answer briefly. What is water cycle? Write any 3 importance of water cycle. The continuous cycle through which water is circulated by different processes like evaporation, condensation and precipitation is called water cycle. Importance of water cycle: to improve the availability of groundwater, to control the Earth's temperature, to provide water to plants and animals, especially humans, to recycle the Earth's supply of water constantly. Second question. What is rainwater harvesting? List out the advantages of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. This is the only way to conserve rainwater. Advantages of rainwater harvesting: it increases the groundwater level. It can be used for agriculture. It increases the availability of water for living things. Write here note on rooftop harvesting. Rooftop harvesting is a type of rainwater harvesting. The rainwater on the top of the building is collected and passed into the ground through pipes. Water passing through the pipes enters the pit, which consists of gravels and coarse sand. As it passes, impurities are filtered and stored as groundwater. The next question. How do we construct a rainwater harvesting pit at school or home? Construct a pit of any shape or size. It may be generally constructed 1 to 2 meter wide and 2 to 3 meter depth. The pits can be filled with boulders, gravels and coarse sand. Put the boulders in the bottom and sand in the top and gravels in the middle. Explain the change of states in water. Water exists always in three states of matter. They are solid, liquid and gas. Solid state. Ice. Ice is a solid form of water. At temperature below 0 degree Celsius, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. Water is converted into ice in cooling until below 0 degree Celsius. Liquid state. Water in liquid state is available in water bodies such as oceans, rivers, waterfalls, etc. Gaseous state. Water becomes water vapor as the temperature increases due to heat. Heating forms a white mist of extremely small water droplets in the air known as water vapor. Water is converted into water vapor in heating under 100 degree Celsius. Roman letter 11. Draw the following. Water cycle. Draw this diagram. Okay.